Welcome, everyone. Today we're going to learn limampu giwait conversations in Japanese. These phrases are super useful if you're traveling, working out in Japan, or simply want to build your Japanese skills for real-life fitness situations. We'll keep it short, simple, and practical, just what you need to feel confident at the giwait. Let's get started. Konnichiwa, koko ni kuru no wa hajimete desu. Hello, it's SV first time here. Eyatro ko dikimasu ka? How can I sign up? Kaihin hiwa ikura desu ka? How much does the membership cost? Suki kain wa arimasu ka? Do you offer you monthly membership? Gakusei waribiki wa arimasu ka? Are there discounts for students? Eigijikan wananji karananji made desu ka? What are your opening hours? Jimu wanichibi ni 8 imasu ka? Is the giveaway open on Sunday? Kishitsu adoko desu ka? Where can I find the locker rooms? Rok wa arimasu ka? Do you have lockers? Jibun no kagi omot kuru hitsui ga arimasu ka? Do I need to bring my own lock? Shawa doko ni arimasu ka? Where are the showers? Taoru wahan bai shite imasu ka? Do you sell towels? Mizuno botoru wa arimasu ka? Do you have water bottles? Kisuiki wa doko desu ka? Where is the water fountain? Gurpuresan wa arimasu ka? Do you offer group classes? Eisai do nakurasu ga arimasu ka? What classes are available today? Yoga no kurasu wa nanji ni hajimarimasu ka? What time does the yoga class start? Jaizen ni yoyaku ga hitsui desu ka? Do I need to book in advance? Kichi wa igo o hanashimasu ka? Does the coach speak English? Kurasu wa dono kurai no jikan desu ka? How long does the class last? Sonaru torn wa imasu ka? Do you have a personal trainer? Torn to no session wa ikura desu ka? How much does a session with trainer cost? Kono machine no tsuka ikata o oshite mura imasu ka? Can you show me how to use this machine? Kono and o tadashi ko dikait imasu ka? Am I doing this exercise correctly? Nanseto yare ba ay desu ka? How many sets should I do? Ichiseto ni nangkai desu ka? How many reps per set? Kono machine wa ait imasu ka? Is this machine available? Sumimasen, kono kiguot sukate imasu ka? Excuse me, are you using this equipment? Ishoniktai de chukat mo ay desu ka? Can't work in with you. Arigat gozaimasu, gitsuka imasen. Thanks, I'm done with it. Danbaru wa doko desu ka? Where are the dumbbells? Motokarui omosa wa arimasu ka? Do you have lighter weights? Matowa doko ni arimasu ka? Where can I find the mats? Sutorachi no area wa arimasu ka? Is there an area for stretching? Hashiru toraku wa arimasu ka? Do you have running track? Toredomiru wa dono kuraitsu ka imasu ka? How long can you use the treadmill? Supiningu kurasu wa arimasu ka? Do you run spinning classes? Sando bagu wa arimasu ka? Do you have punching bags? Koko di ongaku okit mo ay desu ka? Can I listen to my music here? Jimu ni Wi-Fi wa arimasu ka? Is there Wi-Fi in the giveaway? Torningu puran wa arimasu ka? Do you offer a workout plan? Tej o herasu no o tetsudat moraimasu ka? Can you help me lose weight? Fukin ni osusum no and wanan desu ka? What exercises do you recommend for abs? Jikeryoko o ejuru ni wa shitara ay desu ka? How can improve diva stamina? Any chut aduba isu wa arimasu ka? Do you have advice on nutrition? Muri taken wa dikimasu ka? Can I do it free trial session? Kain o ichijitishi dekimasu ka? Can put the membership on hold? Kain o kaiyakusuru ni wa shureba ay desu ka? How can cancel the membership? Tasukete kurete arigat gozaimasu. Thank you for your help. Matan, yo ichinichio. See you soon, have a nice day. Great job! You've just learned limampu useful giwait conversations in Japanese with Romeji. These are practical phrases you can use right away when you're in Japan or at Japanese speaking gyoite. Keep practicing them regularly, and soon they'll feel natural to you. Thanks for learning with me today, and remember, the more you practice, the stronger your Japanese will become. Keep it up and see you next time.